Let's go, everyone. Today we're back with another Hanes X Supreme collaboration in the new fluorescent yellow color. Pops. The summer is perfect for this. This color is perfect for the summer. And check it out. Check it out. This is like your normal 4 pairs of cushion crew socks, but the color and it's Supreme branded. So hype beast type stuff. Let's see how these look in real life. Wow. These are very bright. I like them. I like them a lot. So check it out. Here's a pair. 4 pairs in this pack. Has a Hanes on the bottom. Let's go. Has the Supreme up top. And this color pops. These are cool. These are really cool. Gonna be running in these from now on. I will definitely be seen at night. Let me know what you guys think of these in the comment section, and please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. See you all later. Bye.